Good morning, everyone. Scott Betti here at Firkins, just sticking a beautiful 2017 Volkswagen Passat. It is the SEL model. This thing has everything: front sensors, rear sensors, side sensors, parallel and perpendicular parking, adaptive cruise control, leather, GPS navigation, sunroof. This car is beautiful. It's only got 36,000 miles on it. Call me for more information, folks. This thing will not last long. It is the premium edition. 2017 Passat. 36,694 miles on it. Garage kept, one owner. Very clean. Scott Betti at Firkins, folks. 748-6510.